the Bernoulli distribution. So an example of a Bernoulli distribution is any Bernoulli trial in which we have success or failure. And commonly, an example of that is tossing a coin. So either it lands heads, it's true, or it lands tail, it's false. There's a fixed probability P of success. Um, Suppose, though, that we don't know the probability P of success for these Bernoulli trials, and we want to estimate it. Well, we can use the maximum likelihood estimator. So suppose we have a random sample from the Bernoulli distribution. So we toss the coin n times, and here the outcome is 1 if it's a success, and it's a 0 if it's a failure. The probability distribution for a Bernoulli distribution is given by that formula. So that is the formula for the Bernoulli distribution, not binomial. By the way, a Bernoulli distribution is a binomial distribution with the number of trials equal to 1. Okay. So if we want to form the likelihood and estimate the probability of success, P, we just take the product of the probability distributions, which is given by this formula. Um, Instead of using this formula, we often take the logarithm. So we took the logarithm of this. We also use properties of exponents. Okay, and by taking the logarithm, it changes the product to a sum. So it's the sum of xi times the log of p plus 1 minus xi, where xi is the outcome, 0, 1, times the log of 1 minus p. Now, we don't know the probability p of success. We want to estimate it using maximum likelihood estimator. So what is the value of p that maximizes the probability? Well, we take the derivative with respect to p, remembering that the derivative logarithm is 1 over, okay, the variable. So for the first one, we get xi over p, but for the second one, we get 1 over 1 minus p, and we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. Derivative of the inside is minus 1 because we have the negative p there. Now, all we do is we solve this equation here for p, and that's going to give us this. Okay, so that is the maximum likelihood estimator for the Bernoulli trials.